Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how to make this super easy mushroom ring, and let's get straight into it. To start, I cut off about a foot of wire, and to do our first mushroom, we're going to do 1 white, which is like the stem, and 3 red, which is like the mushroom top. Now we can take the longer piece of wire and just come to the front, and you're going to weave it through the 3 red beads. You don't want to mess with the white ones. So you're just going to go through those and pull that wire through. You can tighten it up, and then sometimes the dimension of the top can be a bit flat. So to fix this, you can smush it together with pliers so that it'll look more like a mushroom. You can tighten it up, and you have completed your first mushroom. Great job. For the space in between each mushroom, I'm just going to be using 3 green beads, but you can do whatever you want for this. It doesn't matter how many. In our first mushroom, we did the white beads before the red beads, but for all the ones after the first mushroom, this is going to be flipped. So you do your 3 red and your 1 white. Pull those down, same thing as last time. You take your opposite end and you weave it through all 3 of those red beads. Pull that through, and you got your mushroom. I will guide you through this process one more time. So we're doing our 3 green beads, pulling those down, then our 3 red, then our 1 white. Pull those down, take the end of that wire and weave it through the 3 red beads and pull it through, and then you've got your mushroom. And you're going to continue this process over and over until it has a good enough length to fit around your finger, and then I will show you how I close. Now that we've got enough length, you'll notice that there's mushrooms on both sides of the wire, and we want it to look all connected and nice, so we're going to add 3 more green beads. And then you can double check the length on your mandrel or your finger and just make sure that it fits around your finger and that it's the correct size. And then we will close it up. Alright, so now we can take our wire and we're going to weave it through our very first mushroom. So first we're going to go through the 3 red beads, and I need to use my pliers sometimes for extra control, and my wire would only go in 1 bead at a time, which is just fine. So we're just going to slowly go through all 3. Got through our second one, now we're going to do our third one. And we are almost done, I promise. Now that we've done that, we can take our piece of wire and weave it through the white part of the mushroom. So just that 1 white bead, and pull it through. And then for our last weaving thing, we're just going to take our wire and go through those 3 green beads. And now we can finally get rid of our wire. First, I'm going to get rid of that short little piece of wire that I call the tail. And to do this, I'm just going to wrap it around the band. So you're just going under and over a few times. And you can use your pliers to tighten it up and wrap it. And once you've done that, you can take your pliers and just sort of smush it, make sure the wire is hidden. And then we can do the other side. That is what it should look like. And to do the other side, we're going to do the exact same thing. So just take your wire, go underneath the band, and pull it up, creating little loops against the band. And we're going to continue this process. I did this about 8 times. And once you feel like it's secure, you can snip off your extra wire and take your pliers to smooth out that piece that's sort of sticking out. And you can just pinch everything to make sure it's in place, and you are done. here's the final ring. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you all have an amazing day.